We're going to introduce you to a grandma who not only bought an RV for herself, but she surprised her two grandsons by buying an RV for each of them.
She bought 3 RVs in one day, and she says there may be a 4th one. Stick around, we're going to introduce you to a great family. This family did their purchase at the recent Super B show in Phoenix, and frankly, we've never seen anything like it.
I've never seen a grandma buy not only one for herself, but for her 2 grandsons. But man, how much fun is that?
And she totally surprised the grandsons. You got to hear this story.
She bought us, me a leisure travel van, him a leisure, and she bought herself one yesterday.
You came to the RV show and you bought 3?
Three RVs, yeah.
And was this a spur-of-the-moment decision?
Oh no, I knew I was coming here to do this.
Yeah?
We didn't know.
They didn't know that they were getting them.
Explain how that all came down. So you brought them here?
I knew about the show. My youngest son told me the show, you can't go buy one, you have to wait for the show. So I've been waiting 6 months for this show to come here because he knew I wanted to be, a B class. And so I waited, and he brought me here, and then I picked it out.
Who's he?
My son, Sean.
Sean, okay.
Yeah, our uncle.
And then how about you guys? How did you get?
We were sitting right here yesterday, and we were trying to get somebody to help us out. And I just jokingly said, not even knowing she was going to buy them, I just jokingly said, hey, let's just get 3 of them. She's like, fine, go find somebody, we'll get them. I'm like, nah, I'm just kidding. And then turns out we were like 20 minutes later, I was sitting at that table picking out all the options for the one I was getting.
And what did you think of this?
We didn't even know. We were so in shock that we came back to make sure we got everything we needed because we didn't even know what we were doing yesterday.
Yeah, last night
so we had to come back and be like, oh my God, wait, I don't even know what I got.
And you had planned this all along?
Yes. And I have another grandson where we might buy another one.
Oh my goodness.
Now, you've camped a lot?
No.
You've never camped?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
She's had a lot of RVs.
We've had RVs because their father, Darren, was a race car driver.
Yeah,
So we've always
She's had a lot of RVs before, but not for a while. We haven't had them for a while.
Yeah.
And tell me a little bit about you guys. Married, kids?
No kids, no marriage, nothing. Just us 2. Dogs.
So you had no idea this was going to happen.
No.
And how were you going to tell him? And then he gave you this great opening, say, "Oh, let's buy 3." And you said, "Okay."
Okay.
And you thought she was kidding.
Yeah,
we were just here to help her, and just because we live here.
Did you guys even want to come to this show?
Yeah,
because we wanted to see the
leisures. We have vans that we were converting, like to go van life.
Yeah.
I just bought an '87 Ford van that I just got, and I started converting. Chad has an '89 Toyota, like a VW kind of.
Yeah,
and we were gonna convert those into livable tents basically with wheels on them and live in that. And then she's just like, no, you need one of these.
You tell me about last night again.
Yeah, I felt like I was in a dream.
Yeah.
I said I had to wake up and check my phone and make sure the pictures were still on it because I thought that I was in a dream last night and I picked it out in my dream. So I had to go to make sure all the pictures were still on my phone.
I completely blacked out this entire time. So I had to come back and be like, okay, this is the one that I get this color with this thing.
And what did you guys all get? Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah.
This is the one I got, and it's going to be this color, whatever that's called.
The light wood.
Yeah. And no, the dark wood. I got the dark wood. See, I have to have a handle put here to help me in. So I'm configuring it different.
How are you going to do it different?
Yeah, with the handle right here.
Yeah.
And then I have the chairs that come this way, the bench chairs.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm having the dark wood here. Okay, and then I have white here with the white up here, and then the same floors, and then whatever's back here with the lighter colors.
This is the one that I got, same one as my grandma. The Unity corner bed.
Now, you got the same interior?
I got the same interior, except I got the U-Lounge bed, or U-Lounge
in the
table.
Front area.
Yeah, in the front area.
Yeah.
And I got a little bit different inside color.
Yeah.
Just a little bit more like
Now, have you taken a couple of pictures of this yet?
I haven't, no.
Yeah?
No, I'm just going to wait until I get delivery of it.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited.
Have you stopped smiling yet?
No.
Yeah.
It is crazy.
You make me smile.
I know,
This is such a great story.
Yeah, it is.
You have a wonderful grandmother.
I do, yeah. My family's awesome.
And it sounds like you have a very close-knit family.
Yeah, it's going to be sweet to caravan and travel around.
This is the one I got. I picked out this one, the Wonder.
Yeah.
The Wonder, it's the front twin. And I actually got this color too.
Yeah.
The same, and I got the spec is exactly the same as the one that I got. So I got the white suede on the outside, and then I got it exactly the same as this on the inside.
This is the front twin.
Front twin, yeah.
Yeah. And look at that.
So you only have in the Wonders, you only have this option in wood, so it's made it really easy for me to pick all my stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like this one because I went to culinary school, and this was the best kitchen, I thought.
Yeah.
So for me, and I think my mom agrees that this is the best.
This is Mom. Mom,
Yes.
your name?
Julie.
Julie, what did you think?
I was shocked. We met the boys for dinner, and they're like, Mom, you know, something really weird happened at the RV show today. And I said, I bet I know what happened. I bet you Nana bought herself a motorhome. And they're like, no, it was even like weirder than that. And I was like, what? Then they kind of held up their brochures, and they're like, Nana bought us a motorhome. And I was like, oh my gosh, you guys have to be so excited that you guys got a motorhome and you guys can like hit the road. And they're like, no, I mean like Nana bought me one and Nana bought Chad one. And I was like, what? So then we were teasing her, saying she was like Oprah, like, you get a motorhome and you get a motorhome and you get a motorhome.
Now you have the two sons.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but they do have a cousin. So she has actually two more grandsons, but one's 11, so he couldn't drive a motorhome yet. And so she's, you know, said, well, if he wants to kind of hit the road with us. So we're really hoping that we can kind of take a family,
We have a lot of motorhomes now for a lot of people. So.
Recently, her youngest son, not my husband, but her youngest son bought one this year. And we were just saying, you know, we've been fortunate enough to do lots of trips, but there's really nothing like that we've done where, you know, it was like we could sort of all be together kind of camping and kind of see nature, you know, and just kind of, it's a real movement towards that, and we feel that we also need to kind of take part in that.
Dean, have you ever heard of anybody buying 3?
I have never heard of one family buying 3 motorhomes ever. As a matter of fact, I have couples come up to me all the time and said, me and my neighbors want to buy one. What's the best deal I can get? They never buy. Never. But 3, one family, never, ever. And I've been doing this since 1997.
When you get these things, what's the first thing you're going to do?
Our first trip will be to Disney World.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to Disney World.
In
Caravan
Orlando?
to
Wilderness.
Disney
Yeah,
World.
in
Yeah.
Orlando to the Disney Fort Wilderness.
They expect to get their new RVs the middle of September, early fall.
And that first trip that they're planning to Disney World, I think we ought to join them on it and follow up with this RVing family. Hey, we're Mike and Jennifer Wendland. Thanks for watching. Do us a favor, give us a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the RV Lifestyle channel right here on YouTube.
Happy trails.